The repair shop has been entertaining millions of fans worldwide with its unique format, and fans have been glued to the screen ever since it started airing in March 2017. Suzie Fletcher, who joined the show in its second season, has been working as one of the lead cast members of the show and has managed to rule the hearts of many fans. But behind Suzie's beautiful smile lies a tragic story only a few know about. Stay with us as we uncover her life story and her journey to Suzie Fletcher's journey to becoming a saddle expert started at a young age when she made a saddle for her Cindy horse from an offcut of leather she found somewhere. Later she decided to pursue her career in saddlery when she got an opportunity to meet with master saddler Ken Langford. With Ken's mentoring, she joined Cordwares College in London and learned saddlery, leather goods and shoemaking. A college degree in Ken's mentorship helped Suzie to learn a lot, and she took her knowledge to the United States in the 1990s. Hoping to gain experience, she focused on making bespoke saddles for women and continued her work of extensive repairs and reconditioning of saddles. She spent 22 years in the United States before finally coming to the United Kingdom in 2018. But Suzie's decision to come to the United Kingdom had a big reason. She had lost her husband Rob, with whom she was married for about 18 years. Suzie and Rob fell in love with each other in Boulder, Colorado, where Suzie had gone for only 2 years, but falling in love with Rob changed her entire life as she got married to him and stayed there for about 22 years. While Suzie had initially thought of living a happy life with Rob, she had to face many issues in her married life. Although Suzie stayed married to him until his death in 2013, her married life wasn't happier. Recently, Suzie opened up about problems she faced while married to Rob and revealed that her husband was very controlling in nature. In one instant, Rob had lifted her from the ground by her throat, which nearly killed her. It was also the moment she realized that her husband could hurt her and do anything to her. She was shocked that she married such a person, but she was lucky that Rob's violent nature became less common as time went by. But Suzie always had to live in fear because she had seen the worst of him. However, in 2013, Rob died of advanced pancreatic cancer, leaving Suzie alone. Although Suzie stayed in the United States for about 4 years after her husband's death, she later changed her mind and came to the United Kingdom, where her future was awaiting her. Only a few weeks after coming to the United Kingdom, she got an offer to work on BBC's The Repair Shop, which brought her immense fame. She is lucky to have her brother Stephen Fletcher in the show, who always motivates and inspires her. In fact, it was Stephen who pushed her to join the show, which she now believes is the best decision she ever made. How do you feel after listening to Suzie's life story? Comment down your thoughts.